Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for joining me today. This is the card we're making. It's this lovely little war impressionist type card, happy birthday card. And this uses the Meandering Meadows Designer Series paper. And I've done some die cutting in preparation already, and I've used these pieces here. These are my two pieces at the front. So these are these two pieces here, and I've just die cut out of my paper, you can see, and then I've die cut a piece for the back from this paper here, and I'll show you that one there so you can see I just die cut, so I can add that to our scrap pile. The dies I used were these, the decal rectangle dies, and I used the largest and then the fourth largest, so the largest for this one and the fourth largest for these two here. Okay, so we're going to start off with a little bit of heat embossing, and we're going to heat emboss our little sentiment in white on this piece here. Okay, so the stamp set we're going to use is this one, Go To Greetings, and we're going to use just a small little sentiment here that says Happy Birthday. And we're going to use our powder tool, so our embossing powder only sticks where we've got the Versamark ink. I can use Versamark. Then I'm going to try and make sure we can get this as straight as we can. Just down, hold. Okay, hopefully that'll be okay. It's very difficult to see until you put your embossing powder on. I use white embossing powder, that looks fine to me. So I can see a little bit that's stuck where I don't want it to stick. So I'm just going to use a paintbrush here just to get rid of anything that is stuck where you don't want it to be. To be honest, this pattern is so forgiving that if there is something stuck in the wrong place, it'll just look like part of the background. But that looks good enough. So let's put this in powder back in its little home. And I just keep them in these little tubs. This is more than one little tub of embossing powder because I use it so much. And then we're just going to heat set this. Okay, so our heat embossing is done and dry, so now we can start to put our card together. So let's put some glue on our base. You could use this pretty green as well, but I think I prefer the other side this time. I'm just going to put this in the center, or roughly where it should be, like that. And then we're going to have these one at an angle, one in the center, straight rather. So I'm just going to put some glue and then decide. So let's put this piece down. Now this piece I've put on the back some of our foam adhesive sheet so we can pop it up. Let's see where I want that. Think like that. Then this piece on top, straight like that. Okay. And then I am going to add, for some decoration, I punched one, I'm going to punch another one, just some basic white, and this is our bar punch, and I'm just punching some leafy bits here out of that. That's why it's good to keep all your scraps. And I'm just going to take some glue, and I'm just going to put it down the center of my leaf. And I'm just going to tuck, and if there's a bit too much you feel, you can just chop off. Like, I think I don't need all of that, so I'm just going to chop off some of it so we only have a little bit showing. I'll get rid of that. then I think I'll have another piece up here. I'm going to chop off again, I think, a bit. Don't be afraid to chop up your die cuts. Make them work for you. I'm sorry if there's a glare anywhere from the sun. I am pleased to see the sun. We've had some dull days, so it's lovely to have some sunny days as well. Going to put that on there. And then I don't need all of this, I know I don't. I'm just going to put this one down here, so just balance it out a bit. Yeah, that will do me, and that is our cards done. Let's clear the decks quickly, and I'll show you both of them. Actually, it's not all done. We forgot our finishing touches. I like our finishing touches. These are the tinsel gems, the 3-pack, as they're called. Last time I used these fresh freesia, but I think I'm going to go in with these greeny ones today. I'm in a greeny mood. What shall we see? Yeah. Just brings a pop of something else to it. There we go. So there are 2 cards. I hope you like them. If you do, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up to YouTube now. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the project, it's all on the website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.